welcome to Legacy IAS. So we'll be continuing with direction sense, and today we'll be looking at a new kind of problem, that is shadow problems. Okay, so now what is shadow? You understand, when there is a light source and when it interacts with any opaque body, it creates a shadow. Okay, now mainly we study about shadows during two times, that is during the sunrise and during the sunset. If sun is overhead, you won't be forming any shadow, or your shadow will form on your body itself, so it won't be visible. So only during the sunrise and sunset time we think about shadows. So now first let's look the case for sunrise. So during sunrise, any person who is looking in east direction or towards the sun, his shadow will fall behind him. Can you feel this? If I stand here, there is a sun, then it will fall behind me. Then if a person is in west direction, is facing in west direction, now the sun is here, so my shadow will fall in front of me. So this is in front of him. Now if a person is going in north direction, now he is going in north direction, sun is here, so shadow will fall towards his left. Similarly, if he is going in south direction, let's say like this, then his shadow will fall towards his right. So towards his right. Now one thing you can observe here, that shadow is always shadow always forms away from the light source. Shadow always forms away from the light source. Like here, can you see it is forming away from the light source somewhere here? Then his shadow is also forming away from the light source here. His shadow is also forming away from the light source. His shadow also away from the light source. No shadow forms towards the light source. So during the sunrise, all shadows will be towards the left. Okay, that is, it will fall away from the sun. Correct? So this is during sunrise. Then after this, now let's see during sunset what will happen. So during sunset, sun will be where? Sun will be on the west side. Now if I will draw it similarly. Now if a person is facing like this, a person is facing towards west direction like this, his shadow will fall behind him. For a person who is facing east, his shadow will fall in front of him. For a person who is going north, his shadow will fall towards his right. And for a person going in south direction, it will fall, if he is going in south direction, towards his left. So his left. All of this is here. Okay, so during the sunset, this will be the direction. Now here also you can see it is always forming away from the light source. So you can see here, this or this, always away from the light source. This is about shadows. Now based on this understanding, many questions are given based on shadows. He's coming from front, back, where his shadow is forming, all those questions are there. So let's get to the questions now. Yeah, so this is the first question. One morning after sunrise, okay, that means sun is where? Sun is in the east. Then one morning after sunrise, Vikas and Shailesh were standing in a town, okay, with their backs towards each other. Okay, so Vikas and Shailesh are standing in such a way that if I am Vikas, Shailesh will be looking the opposite side, because they are looking in opposite direction, because their backs are aligned. So it is saying that Vikas and Shailesh were standing in a town with their backs towards each other. Back is toward each other. That means they are looking in opposite direction. Then Vikas' shadow fell exactly towards his left hand side. Now, Vikas' shadow fell exactly towards his left hand side. In which direction was Shailesh facing? Now see if anybody's during sunrise, if anybody's shadow is falling towards his left or his right, that means they are in which direction? They are in north south direction, because if they were in east west direction, the shadow will be behind him or in front of him. So if it is saying left or right, that means it is north south direction. Now it says Vikas shadow fell exactly towards his left hand side. So now if either this can be Vikas or this can be Vikas. Now shadow is always formed away from the source of light. So this shadow or this shadow. Now let's look where the shadow is towards left. So here if he is going north, shadow is towards left. So this is Vikas. You can see, look for this also. So if he is going down, now shadow is forming in this direction. So this is what? This is right. So that means this is not Vikas, this is the other person, that is Shailesh. So Vikas is going in which direction? Vikas is going in north direction and Shailesh is going in south direction. So in which direction Shailesh is facing? Shailesh is facing south direction. Understood? Vikas is going north, his shadow is forming towards his left. Shailesh is going south and his shadow does not matter, only this is asked from you. His shadow will actually fall towards his right. Towards his right. Shailesh's shadow. Okay, then let's do next one. Now this is what Mohan and, you can pause and try. Mohan and Vinay are two brothers, okay, who are facing each other. So now they are looking towards each other. Okay. The shadow of Mohan falls on the left side of Vinay. In which direction is Mohan facing? So shadow of Mohan falls on the left side of Vijay. Okay. So shadow of Mohan falls on left side of Vinay. Now, in which direction is Mohan facing? Now, see here. See here. Let's assume it to be sunrise. Let's assume it is not given in the question, but I assume the timing is of sunrise. Then what will happen? This is the sun. And now see, the shadow of Mohan falls on the left side of Vinay. So Vinay must be this guy. Okay. And this should be Mohan. Why? Because shadow of Mohan falls on the left side of Vinay. So if Vinay is going north, this is his left side. This is Vinay's left. This is Vinay's left. And Mohan's shadow will also form in this region, that is on Vinay's left. So this holds everything true. Now, according to this, in which direction is Mohan facing? So Mohan is facing in south direction. So according to this, the answer should be south. But there is still one more diagram possible. Let's draw this. Let's say this is sunset time. Now shadow region will be this. Now I assume that now it says the shadow of Mohan falls on the left side of Vinay. So now here the left side shadow is formed when, if I still try to make this as Vinay, then shadow is towards Vinay's right. That is not possible. It is given towards Vinay's left. So this becomes Vinay and this becomes Mohan. Now this is Vinay's. Now this is Vinay's what? Left. So shadow is towards Vinay's left. In both the cases, it is holding. So now, according to this, Mohan is going in north direction. So unless and until it is defined that it is sunrise or sunset, for this question we cannot tell, because in one diagram he is going south, in the other diagram he is going north. That is why the answer will be cannot be determined. You understood? If the question was just saying one more thing, that is during sunrise, then how you would calculate? You would simply draw this diagram. You would have gotten Mohan is going south. If it was just about sunset, then you would have drawn this diagram, you would have said Mohan is going north. But because it is not given, so cannot be determined. Then last, it says daily in the morning. Daily in the morning, morning means sun is rising in the east direction. The shadow of Gol Gumbaz falls on Bara Khaman. Now, if anything is north or south, then can their shadow fall on each other? No. Their shadow will form towards left, towards right, like this. Cannot fall on each other. Only possibility is they are in east west direction. Then, because if some person is facing in this direction, his shadow can fall on some other person who is standing here. So if there is a person like this and there is a person like this, his shadow can directly fall on this person, or his shadow during the sunset can fall on this person. Understood? So now they are in east west direction. Now it says what? Shadow of Gol Gumbaz falls on Barakhaman. So this is Gol Gumbaz. Now, clearly, Gol Gumbaz is towards east direction. Its shadow can fall on this. This is Bara Khamman. Clearly, his shadow, this building shadow, will fall towards this direction, can fall on Bara Khamman. Correct? Then, in the evening, the shadow of the Bara Khamman falls on Gol Gumbaz. Of course, if the sun is here, then what will happen? Again, away from the source, so Bara Khamman shadow will be on Gol Gumbaz. Both properties are holding. Then, in which direction is Gol Gumbaz to Bara Khamman? So, to Bara Khamman, Gol Gumbaz is in which direction? To Bara Khamman, Gol Gumbaz is in east direction. Understood? Very simple. Bara Khamman is towards east. Answer becomes eastern side. Understood? That's it for this shadow problems. Thank you.